There we go. Woo! Ready? Here we go. Woo! Yeah. Today we're learning how to make a potato cannon, and it's awesome.
How many people do it for 3,000 feet?
Today I'm going to show you how I made the potato blaster potato cannon. This one is custom. It's black with the custom duct tape. So this is going to be one of a kind, but I'm going to show you how you can do it. It's super simple. Go to Home Depot, get a few things. Not a whole bunch of tools required, and it's crazy fun. The main part right here is a 4-foot, 2-inch PVC. Okay, and then we got a big 4-inch down here. We got extra 2 pieces of 2-inch right here. We have one reducer, 2-inch to a 4-inch, and then we also have a 4-inch end cap right here. Our trigger mechanism right here, that's actually just going to be the sparker for like a barbecue grill at your Home Depot. They have those. That's all you're going to need. A little bit of PVC glue just to build it. After that, the parts you're going to need to shoot it are hairspray and a bag of potatoes. So take your potatoes, you really want it to be airtight. So you don't want giant potatoes, but you don't want super small ones. You want them to be to where when you put it in here, it's, so you get better combustion. So what we did was we shaved the end of it down so you can get bigger potatoes and push them down in there. So that way it really fills the barrel all the way up. So 4 foot, we can shave down the end just like this. Then you're going to have your 4-inch right here with your reducer, as you can see. So we have the reducer in there. We have the connector caps right here. So that's 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, 5 piece, 6 total pieces of PVC. Again, these are extra that we have from the 2-inch. So you got your 2-inch, your reducer cap to your connector to your 4. Then back here we have our connector for the end cap, just like that. Now you ask, what are these? These are not sights. Actually, you probably could use it as a sight, but it's not. So your trigger mechanism right here, this is the button, just like that. Ours is kind of running down. But all you do is you have 2 wires. You got the positive and the negative. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a little 2 pieces of metal. They're not touching, but that's going to give you your spark and your combustion once you put the hairspray in to fire the cannon. All right, and how that works is there's 2 wires that are going to be at the ends of both of these, but they're all going to be up here. So these are actually protecting the 2 wires. So you have your trigger, and you got your positive, negative, whatever you want to call them, and this is protecting them. If you can see in there, we drilled a little hole in the 4-inch pipe. Then we attached these 2 because these are going to be covering them. We attached these after, but we drilled the hole to mount the wires and the 2 metal pieces in here that are going to create the spark. And to protect that from getting hit or breaking off, we cut these 2 inches down and put them on top of it. So they're just for protection. To connect all your PVC, you're just going to use regular PVC glue. That's another thing you're going to need. And honestly, that's basically as simple as it is. Again, review. 2-inch, we have a 4 foot. This is about 18 inches of 4-inch. Our connectors, the cap, which we're going to put on in a second. We got our trigger mechanism. The wires come down here. 1 wire is in here, drilled in right there. Another wire comes, you can see it right here, drilled in right there. And inside you got your spark mechanism. That's going to be the trickiest part to this. You do not want that spark mechanism too close or too far. If it's too far, it will not spark correctly. If it's too close, the spark won't be big enough. So you need to, we have it right now, I've probably got like maybe an 1/8 of an inch apart right there. So you can move them, so you will have to play with that for a little bit. So before I go outside, I'm going to show you how to load it. So again, we want to take our potatoes. We don't want a potato that's too small because there's going to be too much air that's going to be able to escape, because we want good combustion. So that's why you don't want to get the little ones. That was a little bit too small. Let's check out this one. There we go. So you see how that one doesn't fit? But since we like beveled this edge, it's going to kind of cut it down. Sometimes you can just spin it on there and then push it. Now you don't want the potato just to sit here. So we have an old broomstick. We're going to take the whole broomstick. It's about 3 feet. You don't want to go all the way, but you do want to get it down there real good. All right. So that's it. Hairspray, it doesn't matter. This is Tresemme, sponsor me. I like to do about 5 to 6 seconds in here. If you put too much in here or you spray it directly on that trigger mechanism, it's gonna get too wet and too damp and it will not fire. So I put it down at an angle and I do about 5 or 6 seconds. Again, if you put too much, it's gonna be too, it's gonna get wet and it will not fire correctly. And I've been having a little issue with my trigger, so we're gonna hopefully get this so you can check it out. And it'll shoot a good 100 yards sometimes. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, gotta be quick on that, okay? You don't want all your hairspray coming out. All right, so here we go. Let's see if we can get this puppy to go. Okay, take 2. Set. It might take you a couple times to get that wires that are in there perfectly aligned. I think I might have got them aligned. Let's try this again. There we go. Finally. I know you won't be able to see that, but it's awesome. Woo! That one! Holy cow! It hit the oak tree. Oh my gosh! Oh my, whoa! That was crazy! We shoot this at night and I put a glow stick on top of the potato, like I attach it to the potato, but on top, and so you can shoot it in the sky. It's super, super cool. This is what you do when you live. See if it works. Remember, if you do too much, it's gonna get wet. So, ready? Here we go. Woo! Yeah! All right, I'm doing a twofer, okay? See if it works. In the hole! Oh, that was pathetic. Okay, don't do a twofer. Don't do a twofer. Here we go. Come on. Yeah! See, let's see. Hope you like this video. Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be doing some more stupid things like this.